River Lady here, and I'm still doing the COVID-19 social isolating lockdown quarantine thing. So I thought I would do a video to show you what's going on with my AeroGarden. Before I go further, I just want to remind you I'm not getting any money from Miracle-Gro for posting these videos. I'm doing them all on my own. Anyway, you can see that my plants have gotten taller. I am at the 1 month mark with my little garden, and I will post a link to my other videos at the end of this one so you can see what they looked like 2 weeks ago. As I mentioned in the second video, Miracle-Gro recommends that once a month you drain the water in the chamber and add fresh water and then add your plant food. Now, this is perfect timing because this morning my add plant food indicator came on telling me that I need to add my plant food. And you just read the instructions on the back. It's pretty simple. It's the same food for all the models. You just go by the number of pods you have. I have 6 pods, though one of my pods did die. That little plant that was struggling just ended up becoming mush and dying. All right, no big deal. So the first thing I need to do is I need to drain the water in this chamber without damaging my plants, which is not going to be easy. However, I have devised a method. But before I do anything, I need to kill the power. Now that the light's unplugged, the nice thing about this model is I don't have to take the whole system to my sink. I can just unplug the chamber from the bottom area. So I just have to carry this to my sink. So come with me and I'll show you the method that I devised for changing the water without damaging the roots of my plants. Let's go. All right, so what I have is a container, just a glass measuring cup, that I have just plain water in it, and I'm going to take the pods out and you'll get to see how long the roots grow. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm going to suspend the little plastic pods, chambers, I don't even know what they call these, frames, in the measuring cup of water. It's important that the roots stay wet. So I don't want to lay them on a paper towel or just lay these frames on the counter. So by doing this, it keeps the roots safe. Am I making sense? I hope so. Anyway, all I have to do now is dump the water into the sink. Okay, easy cheesy. If you remember from the first video, Miracle-Gro suggests cool water. You bring the water up to the fill line. You can use distilled water if you'd like. If your water is hard or soft, you definitely want to use distilled water. I'm just using good old tap water, and I'm bringing it right up to the fill line, the indicator that's inside the chamber. And there you can see the water's up to fill to here. Next thing I need to do is add 2 capfuls of plant food. Give the plant food a good shaking before you go ahead and fill the capfuls. Next, put that back. Let's wipe this puppy down. And now, let's put our plants back without injuring them. Let go, let go, let go. Oh, I broke off a leaf. Not bad. Not bad. Tastes pretty good. I don't have to wash them because I'm not using pesticides. So I need to get these roots straight down into the chamber. Come on, get in there. Not bad, that was good. The next video I'm going to do, I'll show you how to prune your plants. Harvest them, not prune them. Harvest your lettuce. All right. Here we go. Get in there. Okay, that's it. You just return the chamber to the base. If you have the flashing light, you just press it and it resets it. I will have to reset the timer for the overall light. I don't have to raise the light source just yet. I still have plenty of room. You want to keep it, remember, 4 to 6 inches from the plants. So I'm going to leave this at this height for now, and probably in about a week I will do a harvest, and I'll do a video that explains harvesting. And that's it. Yay! All right, if you have an AeroGarden, please let me know how you're doing with yours. Do you have one of the really nifty models that's huge that you could feed a small town with? Let me know. Post comments. I thank you for watching my 3rd video on my little AeroGarden. Happy gardening, stay safe, and ciao.